Let's create a stunning social profile in Canva with just 5 steps.
Import a high quality picture of yourself into your Canva design space. Be sure to remove the background if need be. Now search for gradient square. Select the first one you see, send to back, and then I'm going to go for brown to black because those are my photo colors, so brown and then black. Alright, so I want to resize my picture properly. Okay, the next thing to search for is letter A frame. Now I'll be using letter A and letter S because those are the initials for my brand name. So I'm going to place my letter A here properly, and then I will do so for S. So I'll resize it properly. Perfect. The next thing to do is to set your gradient, but then photo. So I'm going to set it in S and also in A. Then I'm going to send A to the back to resize it to form a kind of 3-layer. The third thing is to search for the grade. So I'm going to ensure that the grade element spans around my text and doesn't exceed the bottom of letter A and S. Then I'm going to search a rectangle, stretch it out to make up for that empty brown space. Make it color white. Very good, you're getting there. Zoom out to ensure that the rectangle starts at the tip of the grade element. Next, you want to add your brand information. So I want to make this bold with poppins extra, and then so add the description. Then the color I'll be using will be my brown color to make it fit. And there you have it. Download your new profile photo and upload it to your social media accounts.